Are you constantly catching up on your online business chores while browsing through your never-ending to-do list? Do you feel like your money remains flat no matter how many hours you put in? Take a breath before your frustration spirals out of control. AI business assistants are coming to automate the administrative tasks, offer insights, and give your online sales the boost you've been waiting for. In this video, I'll demonstrate 3 ways that these AI tools can increase your online income. You'll find helpers who can provide content, identify possibilities, and even improve your funnels. Goodbye to working late into the night. Let's use artificial intelligence to increase revenue collectively. AI business assistants have emerged as a crucial tool for business owners and entrepreneurs wanting to generate income online. These virtual assistants may expedite processes, enhance customer interactions, and boost overall productivity thanks to their cutting-edge capabilities. Automating repetitive processes that would otherwise take a lot of time and effort is one of the main benefits of AI business assistants. These intelligent systems are capable of handling a wide range of administrative tasks with an unequaled level of speed and accuracy, from organizing calendars and setting up appointments to sorting through communications and doing market research. Additionally, AI business assistants might offer insightful data that promotes revenue growth. They are able to pinpoint patterns, trends, and preferences that organizations may use to provide customized offerings to their target audience by analyzing massive amounts of data in real time. These assistants also have natural language processing, NLP, capabilities, allowing them to comprehend consumer inquiries or concerns immediately and provide the proper responses or suggestions. Additionally, to guaranteeing timely client service, this opens up options for upselling and cross-selling goods and services. Having an AI business assistant is no longer a luxury but a requirement in the current fast-paced digital environment where every second counts. Numerous potential advantages exist, all of which work toward the same end goal, making money online, including decreased operating costs through automation, increased productivity through task delegation, and improved customer satisfaction through individualized interactions. Adopting this disruptive technology is not only a wise decision, but also a must for companies hoping to succeed in the increasingly cutthroat digital economy. By automating and streamlining numerous operations, an AI business assistant is a potent tool that may assist entrepreneurs and enterprises in making money online. An AI business assistant, in contrast to conventional virtual assistants, uses artificial intelligence algorithms to evaluate data, discover trends, and make deft judgments. This enables it to carry out duties with efficiency and accuracy, including customer support, sales outreach, email automation, and even social media management. An AI business assistant's capacity to manage large volumes of questions or requests concurrently without sacrificing quality is one of its main features. An AI assistant, for instance, might offer prompt responses based on pre-established rules or previous contacts when it comes to customer service interactions. This enhances reaction times while simultaneously guaranteeing communication consistency. A commercial AI assistant can also quickly sort through voluminous consumer data to find trends and preferences that may be used in targeted marketing initiatives. An AI business assistant's potential for enhanced scalability is another advantage. You can experience difficulties as your internet business expands managing the escalating assistant's demand or handling sizable amounts of data. You may scale your operations without having to add more staff members if an AI helper is executing these activities on its own. This not only reduces expenses but also frees up your time to concentrate on other key business strategies. In conclusion, an AI business assistant offers a variety of advantages that can aid business owners and entrepreneurs in more successfully earning money online. Automating tedious and repetitive processes is one of the main advantages of adopting AI business assistants. As business owners, we frequently discover that we are wasting numerous hours on administrative tasks that could be completed more quickly and efficiently. These tedious tasks can be assigned to a virtual assistant with the help of an AI business assistant, freeing up our time to concentrate on more crucial business operations. An AI business assistant is capable of doing a variety of tasks efficiently and accurately, including email distribution, appointment setting, and social media account management. Utilizing AI business assistants has other benefits, including the possibility for cost savings. Hiring people incurs a variety of expenditures, including pay, benefits, and administrative fees. AI business assistants, on the other hand, only require a single investment and can operate continuously without requiring any extra resources. The usage of AI can also increase productivity by offering real-time data analysis and insights that facilitate the streamlining of processes and the making of informed decisions. In addition to saving money, this increased efficiency gives businesses more opportunity to make money. Additionally, AI business assistants provide internet firms with unequaled scalability. These virtual assistants have the adaptability to seamlessly meet your demands whether you're starting out or expanding quickly. Without sacrificing response time or quality, they are able to handle an increasing number of consumer questions. Additionally, they have the capacity to adjust and learn from encounters over time, delivering individualized help catered precisely to each client's preferences and requirements. The way people make money online has been changed by AI business assistants. These virtual assistants offer priceless assistance in many areas of operating an online business because of their cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning skills. They can assist with market research by offering insightful information on current trends and consumer preferences. AI assistants can find prospective market niches or untapped areas that business owners can take advantage of by analyzing vast volumes of data. Additionally, AI business assistants are essential for maximizing marketing efforts in order to increase earnings. These sophisticated technologies are able to assess consumer behavior and tailor advertising campaigns accordingly. With the use of this data, companies may target particular client segments with customized adverts and product offerings, boosting conversion rates and earnings. AI business assistants assist with customer support activities in addition to assisting in the optimization of marketing initiatives. They can effectively communicate with customers thanks to their natural language processing skills, responding to their inquiries in a timely and precise manner. This not only improves the general customer experience but also fosters brand loyalty and trust. In general, people looking to make money online gain a competitive edge in today's digital economy by utilizing the potential of AI business assistants. These virtual assistants take care of a variety of tasks that are essential for online success, including market research, tailored marketing plans, and top-notch customer support. This eventually increases profitability and paves the path for long-term financial success. An example of an AI business assistant's success comes from a digital marketing firm. The agency was able to create highly targeted ad campaigns by using an AI assistant to evaluate client data and spot trends. The outcome? A notable improvement in conversion rates and a rise in customer revenue. This case study shows how AI may assist organizations in making data-driven decisions and maximizing their profitability online. Another instance involves an online store that automated its customer service procedure using an AI business assistant. The retailer adopted a chatbot that uses cutting-edge natural language processing algorithms rather than adding more employees or outsourcing the work. The bot was able to respond instantly and 24/7 to frequent questions. Customers received timely support anytime they wanted it, which enhanced customer satisfaction and led to an increase in sales for the shop. These case studies focus on just two instances of how artificial intelligence, AI, business assistants have aided businesses in producing measurable outcomes and propelling expansion online. Businesses may streamline operations, enhance consumer experiences, and eventually increase online revenue by leveraging artificial intelligence technologies. There are a few key recommendations that can guide your search for the ideal AI business assistant and enable you to make an informed choice. Consider your unique wants and requirements first. Do you need more sophisticated functions like data analysis and customer assistance, or are you seeking for an AI assistant that can handle simple administrative tasks? You can focus your search and discover an AI helper who shares your objectives by stating your expectations in explicit terms. The degree of customization and flexibility provided by the AI business assistant is a crucial additional feature to take into account. It's critical to have a solution that can customize to your particular business procedures and processes. Look for digital assistants that offer simple system integration and configurable features like personalized responses or task automation. This will guarantee a smooth experience and increase productivity. Last but not least, don't overlook scalability. Your AI helper should expand along with your company. Choose one that has scalability options, such as the flexibility to add more users or upgrade plans to meet expanding needs without interfering with workflow. In order for the chosen assistant to remain relevant in a constantly changing digital environment, it is also important to investigate whether it has access to regular updates and technological advancements. You'll be able to choose the ideal tool that not only helps streamline operations but also contributes to enhancing overall profitability in the long term by taking these suggestions into account when choosing an AI business assistant. In conclusion, harnessing the power of AI is crucial for long-term success as well as for being competitive in the online business environment. Artificial intelligence, AI, business assistants' capacity to speed up data analysis, tailor user experiences, and automate repetitive operations can greatly improve your online presence and increase income. Because AI algorithms are continually improving and growing more complex, businesses may now learn more about the preferences and actions of their customers. By utilizing this technology, you may more thoroughly comprehend the requirements of your target market and adjust your services accordingly. This degree of personalization promotes conversion rates, encourages repeat business, and improves client happiness. Additionally, using AI into your online businesses enables you to streamline processes and save priceless time. You can concentrate on making strategic decisions and developing real connections with your clients when automated systems handle mundane duties like inventory management or content curation. Utilizing AI to its full potential gives you the edge you need to succeed in the fast-paced digital environment. In the end, including AI in your online business plan gives up countless opportunities for expansion. The seamless integration of AI into every facet of your online operations gives you the power to succeed in a market that is changing quickly, from better customer service with chatbots or virtual assistants to enhancing search engine optimization with natural language processing algorithms. Accept this disruptive technology now to open new doors for creating online success that has never been possible before.